This is one LORA flying effect. Let's check out another LORA. Look at that squeezing effect! This is not an app. It's a one LORA applied to an image. You can provide any image to apply that squeeze effect. Here's another LORA 360 rotate, which is useful for generating a 360-degree image of any subject. And then there's the flying LORA, where you provide a human portrait and the WAN LORA makes them fly. I've tried this, and it's very accurate and stable. To apply the LORA, I use this sample prompt type. A boy takes off from the ground into the air. He stretches his arms and leaps up. You can continue the prompt to guide the motion further. The workflow is simple. Just add the LORA from my previous WAN video workflow. The video is very stable and fluid. There are many other LORAs available, and the library is growing. Like and subscribe for the latest AI trends, news, and tutorials.